ऑलमोस्ट हर एपिसोड में सेक्स की बातें करते हैं, तो इस एपिसोड में हम सेक्स की बातें बिल्कुल नहीं करने वाले।
We're just gonna talk about 69.
What? आज लड़ते हैं। वैसे भी इन लोगों की फैंटेसी है हमें लड़ते हुए देखना।
Boys, don't get excited. We're not gonna oil each other up and like wrestle. We're not doing that. Not
Right
today.
now.
That's another IP.
Which we don't own. But okay. देखो जो इंटेलिजेंट लोग होते हैं ना ऐसी बकवास बातें करते हैं
और यही लोगों को पसंद आता है।
तेरी ब्रेन ने आज तक तेरे लिए क्या किया? Let's get personal.
और एक मिनट में बात कर रही हूँ।
ऐसे ये डिबेट नहीं होती।
मॉडरेटर नहीं है इसका मतलब नहीं है तू मुझे काट सकती हो।
हैं?
हाँ?
क्या?
Listen, hear. You know, dumb people they take time to hear.
Are you calling me dumb?
Don't try to say do this because you want to prove a point.
Don't you dare point the hand at me. Don't you dare. I will snatch this hand and hit you. And two girls. Okay. Welcome to
क्या हो गया था तुम्हें अभी?
just showing off my beauty.
Two girls and
Two cars.
आज जाने की जिद ना करे. We literally have nothing to say today. Guys, आज हमने ऑलरेडी 2 एपिसोड्स शूट कर लिए हैं और अभी क्योंकि हमें अपना दिन का फुल बजट इस्तेमाल करना है, हम तीसरा एपिसोड कर रहे हैं. हमें कोई आइडिया नहीं, हमारे पास क्यू कार्ड्स भी नहीं है आज.
ऑलमोस्ट हर एपिसोड में सेक्स की बातें करते हैं, तो इस एपिसोड में हम सेक्स की बातें बिल्कुल नहीं करने वाले.
We're just gonna talk about 69.
What?
Let's brainstorm. Let's act like we are coming up.
Okay, let's talk about
You wanna talk about fashion?
fashion. I don't know. Fashion, I know.
Do you wanna talk about like market?
I would love to talk about stock market if I knew anything.
You know that's the problem. अगर हम में थोड़ी सी अकल होती ना, हम थोड़ा सा ज्यादा हम कर पाते.
I agree.
पर जब अकल नहीं होती तो क्या यूज कर सकते हैं हम?
What is akal without an S? Nothing.
Sakal.
With an S, it's a suckle.
What is the fuck is the sakal?
It's a suckle. It's a suckle.
There are people who can't say sir like Bengalis. वो सिर्फ श बोलते हैं.
हर चीज को.
Sholoni.
You're looking so Bengali right now with that hairstyle.
Which Bengali did you see with this?
The way you
hairstyle?
talk, and Bengalis do a lot of quirky, different hairstyles because
Yeah, because Bengalis eat fish. They have omega-3 and they are intelligent creatures.
I can tell how intelligent you are by the way you said creatures. Her brain is on stretchers, and that's why she said creatures. Okay. आज लड़ते हैं. वैसे भी इन लोगों की फैंटेसी है हमें लड़ते हुए देखना.
Boys, don't get excited. We are not gonna oil each other up and like wrestle. We're not doing that. Not
Right
today.
now.
That's another IP.
Which we don't own. But okay. ये ना बहुत सालों से I think ये डिबेट चल रही है कि शक्ल बड़ी या अकल.
मुझे
What do you
obviously
think?
लगता है कि देखो अकल जो होती है, जो ब्रेन होता है, उसको तुम एक्सरसाइज कर करके उसको बेहतर बना सकते, राइट? लेकिन जो शक्ल होती है, वो उसको तुम जितना भी कुछ करो, इट्स गोइंग टू गिव इन टू ग्रेविटी.
Oh.
कहने का तात्पर्य ये है कि जो इंद्रधनुष है,
इंद्रधनुष?
आई डोंट नो व्हाट इज इंद्रधनुष.
I don't know. You
धनुष,
said it.
जो सृष्टि है,
हाँ?
सृष्टि.
ये क्या रीजन है यार?
अरे तुम बोलती रहती हो हिंदी में बात करो तो मैं कर रही
तुम
हूँ तो
मत
प्रॉब्लम है.
तुम ढंग से तो सही वर्ड. इंद्रधनुष इज अ वेपन.
मैं वही कह रही थी, इंद्रधनुष में जो रंग है, जो अलग अलग रंग है, विबग्यो, वो हर रंग एक इंसान में होना चाहिए. हैप्पी होली.
कितनी बुक्स पढ़ी है तूने आज तक?
मतलब स्कूल में जो भी बुक्स थे वो सारे
स्कूल तो तुम गई नहीं. मेरे पास प्रूफ है, एपिसोड है.
कौन सा एपिसोड?
क्या तुम एपिसोड्स में झूठ बोलती हो?
ऑफ कोर्स हम हर एपिसोड में झूठ बोलते हैं. दिस आई हर्ड फ्रॉम अ फ्रेंड बोल के हम एक्चुअली अपनी स्टोरीज बता रहे हैं.
तुझे क्या लगता है हमारा जो पॉडकास्ट है, इज इट डूइंग वेल?
यू थिंक इट्स डूइंग वेल बिकॉज ऑफ द वे वी लुक.
You think it's doing well because we are intelligent?
यू थिंक इट्स डूइंग वेल.
You think?
You? Who told you
Wow.
that it's doing well?
I think it's doing well, and it's doing well because there are two hot girls talking about nonsensical stuff.
दिल को
इसमें कुछ-
तसल्ली देने के लिए ये ख्याल ही अच्छा है.
देखो जो इंटेलिजेंट लोग होते हैं ना ऐसी बकवास बातें करते हैं
और
कि
यही
तुम
लोगों
मत
को पसंद आता है.
जाओ. तो बताओ तुम्हारे ब्रेन ने आज तक किया क्या?
ब्रेन ने हमें चांद तक पहुंचाया है.
तेरी ब्रेन ने आज तक तेरे लिए क्या किया? Let's get personal.
Okay?
What has your brain done for you till now?
My brain, my जुगाड़ू brain,
हाँ.
has helped me survive this fucking industry.
You think your brain has made you survive this
Yes,
industry?
I have never revealed.
Huh?
I've never revealed my body.
Editor, I'm
And
going to
I
send
am
you cleavage
self-aware.
pictures.
Excuse me?
Yeah, you have swimsuit pictures on your Instagram.
You're going to send the editor my cleavage pictures. Do you know what that sounds like?
to put in
It's
the
just so weird.
जो इससे अभी क्लेम किया है कि मैं अपना कभी कुछ रिवील नहीं करती. I have swimsuit pictures जो इसके Instagram में पब्लिक प्रोफाइल जाके देख सकते हो बॉयज. ठीक है, वो क्यों डाली फिर?
वो इसलिए मैंने डाली क्योंकि अगर आप
जब
बीच
सोच रहा होता है ना इंसान, जब जवाब नहीं होता तो वो रिपीट करता है. तुमने क्या बोला? What is your name? What is my name? My name is.
intelligence is not bookish knowledge. Intelligence is being able to fucking manipulate people. I manipulated my husband into marrying me.
Your husband married you for your looks. Intelligence.
This laugh was not good.
This was a minus laugh.
But they are talking about bookish intelligence. I'm talking about manipulation. I'm talking about being able to do जुगाड़. कि आज कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो उसका प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग का कैपेसिटी तुम में कितना
अच्छा,
है.
ठीक है, तो
और
तुम
1 मिनट में बात कर रही हूँ.
ऐसे ये डिबेट नहीं होती.
मॉडरेटर नहीं है इसका मतलब नहीं है तो मुझे काट सकती हूँ.
If you had a choice to choose between two boys sitting right here, one is ugly
हाँ.
and one is hot, and you had to pick, who would you pick?
You have to give me more.
Why?
I want to hear them speak.
First,
Just imagine there are 2 boys. One is hot. Okay, like hot. And one
Yeah.
comes up to you
Yeah.
and says, "Do you know the formula of pi?"
fuck off, dude.
I do. That's so hot.
So he can have a massa on his forehead and teaching you the anatomy, and you'll do him.
Who has massa on their forehead? Hypothetical की भी
boy
limit
has.
होती है.
He has a massa on his forehead.
I'm like struggling with my laptop and he comes to me and he's like, babe, I gotcha. And he just takes my laptop and he's like, you know what, I've put it on auto backup, I've gotcha. And you know, I've sorted this thing out of you. Something that I was struggling with since morning. I would do him. I would do his massa.
If I was struggling with my laptop and a hot guy came next to me and said, babe, I gotcha, I would do him. And my problems would be solved.
But you would only do him, na? That
Yeah.
hot guy who's
Yeah.
dumb as fuck.
He doesn't have to be dumb
No,
as
but
fuck.
that's the debate.
अगर इंटेलिजेंस अट्रैक्टिव होती तो आईआईटी का कैंपस टिंडर का हेडक्वार्टर होता, लेकिन ऐसा है
IIT
नहीं ना.
के ही लोग.
है नहीं ऐसा. आईआईटी का कैंपस टिंडर का हेडक्वार्टर तो नहीं है.
Tinder का headquarter कहाँ है फिर?
होगा गई. That's not
पूरा
the point.
रिसर्च करो. ये
The point is
चूते
कि-
डम लोगों को पता नहीं है कि टिंडर का हेडक्वार्टर कहाँ है और ये जो चैट जीपीटी से जोक्स जो लेके आ रहे हैं आईआईटी और टिंडर का जो
मेरे
एक मिश्रण करना है.
जितने हॉट फ्रेंड्स है सारे कमिटेड है या सारे गर्लफ्रेंड्स है सबकी, और मेरे जितने
Are you saying is not hot?
is having fun. I
But
can
is she
get a guy
committed?
like that. I'm saying committed है या फिर they have people.
Have people? She's not dating anyone.
She is.
No, who is she?
Ask
Now, just
her.
to prove your point, you can't just give her a boyfriend randomly.
She is.
Who is she dating?
She's doing, not dating. But she can get a guy like that because of her hotness.
Yeah, but it's not always about getting a guy like that. After that, how are you going to proceed with that that relationship? You're going to be done. It's temporary.
Now let me ask you a simple question. What is the first thing you see in a person?
Forehead.
What do you see about that forehead?
Sure, I see how that person looks.
And based on the looks, you decide whether you want to move ahead with this or not.
Sure. Yeah, that's
First
the first
impression
step.
is last impression. Okay, it's
No,
not the
that is
brain
the
impression.
worst fucking quote in this world.
Why?
How is the first impression? Are you saying the first time you met someone,
Yeah.
your impression of that person has not changed by the end of it?
Huh?
Huh?
क्या?
Listen, hear. You know, dumb people, they take time to hear. So here,
Are you calling me dumb?
no.
Good.
First time you've met someone and that person may have been good looking. That person's impression has not changed eventually.
He's still good looking or she's still good looking.
No, but the impression of that person has changed. Now, eventually, you could find him ugly because he did something that was
But
ugly.
that's
right?
not my point. My point is I will not give the other person a chance only. जिसके पास सिर्फ brain है उसके साथ तो बात ही शुरू नहीं हुई ना, तो कभी आगे बात गई नहीं. Looks are the first thing.
You have never had a conversation with someone who's brainy. That says a lot about you.
I have, but not. I haven't initiated a conversation with someone who's brainy to hit on that person. Not really. I mean, I won't go up to an ugly person and start a conversation with that person. I just won't.
But what if the ugly person comes up to you and says something really intellectually stimulating?
Say
You
something.
keep telling boys on our podcast
हाँ.
कि guys please ये मत बोलो वो मत बोलो pickup lines मत मारो don't be cringe.
Yeah.
So if a guy comes up to you and says something that is actually honest, you'd respect that and you would have a conversation.
I'll make-
Whether he looks good or not doesn't matter.
I'll be a
na?
friend with him. I'll be
Are
like,
you
hey,
saying you
you're
only
smart.
dated hot guys?
Yeah. You want to see pictures?
I mean, 2 are in their grave.
They were still hot. They were alive. They were quite hot.
And dumb. As fuck.
They weren't dumb. We are talking about two scenarios जहाँ पे सिर्फ beauty और सिर्फ brain है. तू कह रही है कि सिर्फ brain is much better than सिर्फ beauty. You know how many people have gotten out of situations with just beauty? They have not needed brains.
What situations are you talking about?
Like getting an upgrade in first class in a flight.
You think a brain person cannot do that? He'll remove IPC section. इसके तहत कंज्यूमर लॉ के हिसाब से आपको मुझे ये अपग्रेड देना चाहिए.
कोई भी दिमाग वाला पर्सन IPCC नहीं निकालेगा फालतू में. That makes no sense.
तुम मिली नहीं हो ना दिमाग वाले लोगों से. वो कंज्यूमर वो सब कुछ जानते हैं. वो सब कुछ जानते हैं. वो तुम उनको कुछ भी.
मैं बिल्कुल दिमाग वाले लोगों से नहीं मिली हूँ ever.
चलो मैं तुमसे पूछती हूँ एक सवाल.
पूछो.
कल तुम जंगल में गुम गई.
हाँ.
क्या करोगी? टाइगर को अपना क्लीवेज दिखाओगी? हाँ? क्या करोगी? क्या यूज करोगी तुम? अपना दिमाग या अपने लुक्स?
I don't think अगर टाइगर भूखा होगा तो दिमाग या लुक्स कुछ भी काम नहीं.
दिमाग काम आएगा.
दिमाग भी खाएगा और
तुम्हें
looks
तब
भी.
नॉलेज होगा. अगर तुम नेशनल जियोग्राफिक देख रहे हो तभी तुम्हें पता होगा.
क्या पता होगा?
कि कभी भी टाइगर को देख के टाइगर ही है ना, टाइगर को देख के कभी भी भागना नहीं चाहिए. पता है क्या करना होता है? ये मुझे पता है. क्यों? क्योंकि मैं पढ़ती हूँ, मैं सफारी पे जाती हूँ, मुझे लोग मैं ये नॉलेज कंज्यूम करती हूँ.
तुम्हारे पास और कोई चारा भी नहीं है ना. तुम्हारी ब्यूटी तो कोई काम आने नहीं वाली, तो तुम्हें करना पड़ेगा थोड़ा ब्रेन एक्सरसाइज. आई एम ग्लैड यू आर सेल्फ अवेयर एंड डूइंग इट.
डोंट गेट पर्सनल. दिस वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट अदर थिंग्स.
इट्स ट्रू.
क्योंकि हमारे पास दोनों ब्यूटी और ब्रेन कुछ नहीं है. It's true.
No, it's not true. Have you ever heard someone say, you know what attracted me to him? You know what attracted me to him? His logical reasoning.
Yeah, you have said that about Viraf. You have said, you know what attracted me to him?
After his looks. After the way he looks like a Greek god.
You never said that.
Because I didn't have to look at him.
Exactly, you didn't have to, because that's not what you remember. What you remember is the moment of conversation and intellectual stimulation जो तुमने उसके साथ किया था.
That's not
you
true.
do not remember just.
हमने conversation बाद में किया था.
हाँ? Doesn't matter. अभी अगर मैं तुमसे पूछूं, We
had a conversation later.
What do you remember? What is the most beautiful moment of yours with Viraf? You're not going to talk about the sexual encounter you had. You're not. Don't try to do this because you want to prove a point.
Don't you dare point the hand at me. Don't you dare. I will snatch this hand and hit you.
I saw you using it in the room for other reasons.
That's why are you holding it? It's mine.
Why is it bleeding?
Because
you're using too much of it. What happened to your Greek god?
Huh?
Why are you using your Greek god? Why are you using this hand? Why? But after some time, looks become boring. Then you need these hands. Even if you have a Greek god, you need these tools to make you feel better. Because looks fade. What does not fade is intelligence.
Do daru pee and your intelligence will fade like that.
You
the
know
brain
the
starts
most
fading.
famous shayars were alcoholics. And they came up with beautiful shayaris. मैं सुनाऊं? सुनाती हूँ.
I swear to God, I will leave.
देखा कि ये वो मस्त निगाहों से बार बार जब तक शराब आए कई दौर हो गए किसी की याद सताए शराब पी लेना कोई ख्याल रुलाए
ये ब्रेन वाले लोग तुम्हें मार डालेंगे बोर कर करके मार डालेंगे. ब्यूटी वाले they bring glamour, they bring excitement, they bring novelty, they bring
Omar Khayyam, Charles
Look at
Baudelaire, Charles Bukowski, all these people used to drink and write masterpieces.
You have jumped the red light and a cop pulls you over.
Yeah. Are you trying to say that cops in
How will
our
you
country are unethical?
Yes.
सुन रहे हो ना तावड़ी जी?
How will you get? तावड़ी जी is sitting with me inside because he likes beauty.
सुन रहे हो ना गायतोंडे जी?
12 किलो तेरा लगेज एक्स्ट्रा है एयरपोर्ट पे.
हाँ. क्यों है?
ठीक है.
तुम अगर चूतिए नहीं होते तो 12 किलो एक्स्ट्रा तुम नहीं लेके जाते ना.
तुम्हारा है.
स्मार्ट
तुम
लोग
चूतिए हो.
उस मोमेंट तक पहुंचेंगे ही नहीं.
ऐसा नहीं है. Are you trying to say कि स्मार्ट लोग कभी भी ओवरवेट नहीं हुए एयरपोर्ट पे? कभी भी नहीं.
I mean, with their
All
intelligence,
smart people and
with their
intelligent
intelligent baggage, yeah, maybe. But that can't be quantified in actual weight.
Oh my God, you're not making
But
any
no,
sense.
they pack really smart.
Have
They
you
know how to
ever
pack.
seen-
Did you know that if you pack a certain way,
Yeah, I know,
even
vertical.
if you are 12 kgs extra, you can trick the weighing machine because you're folding your clothes in a certain way. You can trick the weighing machine to give to activate a lesser number. Do you know that? No, because smart people use those
How do you
techniques.
activate a lesser number by folding the same amount of clothes?
There is a physics. You don't know.
There's a
simple
physics.
law. Yeah, there's a physics to it.
Bro, you can just fit in more clothes. You can't change the weight.
You can. You cannot change the weight, but you can trick the belt. You can. There is a way to do it.
So all you intelligent people are basically liars and manipulators.
I would like to call us.
And beautiful people are innocent and nice.
No, I would like to call us street smart.
No, that's not street. That's
It is
right
street
outright
smart. It is
lying.
being able to get your work done.
So you lie to get out of things. Morally corrupt.
I just feel like looks can only get you till here.
देखो अब आ गया AI रिप्लेस कर देगा तुम्हारी ब्रेन, लेकिन तुम्हारी हॉटनेस कोई रिप्लेस नहीं कर सकता.
You're literally saying the opposite of what AI can do. AI can replace everything. You can be replaced over here right
How
now.
can I be replaced? I'm
You
still
can be
physical.
replaced into the best, most beautiful version of you who's another person only because. So you can be replaced, but AI cannot access the brain yet. So it's a lot of stress on your brain to actually identify beauty.
It's a stress on my brain to talk to you. It's not a stress on my brain to identify beauty
but
at
no,
all.
it can't be because
I look, I identify. I look, I identify. I look, I identify. I look, and I'm like, whoa, stress. Oh my God, stress.
Why are we getting personal here?
Huh?
Why are you getting personal?
Tu
You are having a
behan
general
ki
debate.
taki.
I never called you dumb.
She's gaslighting me now.
You've seen really hot people dating really ugly but intelligent people very often. Very often. I don't want to take names. ये तो तूने इम्प्रोव का रूल ही कैंसिल कर दिया. नो फिर तो आगे बात ही नहीं हो सकती. We've seen that. We've seen a lot of beautiful women date really average looking guys.
That's
Because
okay. Let me get this
because
straight.
that promises.
My argument is not this. My argument is कि
Okay.
beauty और brains में beauty जिसके पास होती है वो ज़्यादा चीज़ों से get away कर सकता है. It's easier for them. A lot of things in life become easy for them just by the fact that they are prettier. It's unfortunate. I'm not saying that it's the right thing or the wrong thing. I'm just saying that that is the truth of it. वरना जो मिस वर्ल्ड कंपटीशन है ना वो फिर एक क्विज कंपटीशन होता, बट वो नहीं है ना.
पर डिबेट का
उसमें
टॉपिक
बिकिनी
ही
राउंड है
नहीं था
ना.
ना.
What do you mean?
डिबेट का टॉपिक तो कुछ और था.
ब्यूटी बड़ी या ब्रेन?
हाँ.
हाँ
तो तुम बोल रही हो it gives you a headway, but what survives? Beauty gives you a headway into
But the
things.
brain is
It
not
does
giving you a
survive,
headway,
na?
only survival की बात
What
तो
makes
बाद
you
में
think?
I'm saying what
how
is the
can
initial thing?
how can your brains not give a
So are
headway?
you trying to say the Miss Worlds are not surviving?
What are they doing?
They are surviving.
No. What are they doing? Which Miss World is surviving? Please tell me.
Excuse Miss
Yeah,
World.
please tell.
Please comment में बताना Miss World
Surviving in terms of life, sure, but all
they
the
are
promises.
successful. They are rich. They are traveling the world. They are famous. They
Who
have
are you talking about?
the Miss World.
Who?
Are you serious?
Who are you talking about? Who's traveling the world? What are they doing for society? Who's doing what? They're doing nothing. They're just looking pretty and
I didn't say that.
They're in a bikini on the ramp and they're being like objectified. Who's traveling the world?
So,
who's doing social service?
all-
Give me one name.
All the I know plenty.
We'll mute it. Tell na.
Miss World.
What is she doing? She's in a film now.
So
What is she
you
doing?
are an actor. Are you in a film?
Huh? So?
Because you're not beautiful. She is. She's in a film. She's the lead actor of a film. You think her intelligence got her that film?
No, that bloody Miss World must have got her that film.
And what got her Miss World? Her beauty.
But
Hence
that film
proof.
was so bad.
Hence.
But
proof.
that film was so
We are
bad, she's
talking
not
about-
going to get any work after
We are
that.
not.
How do you
Chal, theek hai.
sustain yourself after being beautiful?
But
okay,
we are not, why are you
beautiful.
going ahead? First, let's talk about how to start. What gets you the headway first? What gets you started? Beauty?
Brains can also get you the headway, yeah? I write a beautiful script and I pitch it to someone, I can get a headway into making a film. What do you mean? My beauty is not going to really matter. It has to be a good script.
Yeah, it has to be a good script.
Yeah.
But who's going to be cast in that good script? You?
But are you trying to say that writers are not respected and actors are?
Unfortunately, kinda.
I didn't say that. Oh no.
Unfortunately,
Are you
kinda.
saying that writers are not respected respectable people.
I'm not saying writers are not
That's what you're
respectable
saying.
people.
That's
I'm
what
saying
you're saying.
actors are more respected. They have more value, they have more worth than a writer. They
Are
get
you
paid
saying
more.
actors are more respected than writers?
They get paid more.
Are you saying
Yeah.
Javed Akhtar is less respected than a Farhan Akhtar?
Javed Akhtar is too old, man.
No.
And he was very good looking.
Are you
by the way.
saying-
You know
okay.
how good looking Javed Akhtar was? Kya?
I mean, I don't want to say anything.
Why?
What do you mean?
He was really good looking.
He was not known as the most good looking man in the industry.
That doesn't matter. He doesn't
He
have to
must
be the
be-
most good looking,
No,
but he had
must
looks.
be average, but he was not
wasn't
known for
average.
the looks.
He wasn't average. Go
Nobody
Google it.
went and said Javed Akhtar kya hot lagta hai yaar. Nobody said that. They spoke about his writing. They spoke about his work.
Yes, but he was able to present the
Salim
writing
and
because he was
Javed
presentable.
were not a duo because of the way they looked.
Yes, they started off because they got those opportunities because they had a certain personality, they had a certain kind
Yeah,
of
so
look.
personality doesn't come from looks. Personality comes from your body language. It comes from your confidence, and you only have confidence because you have you have the knowledge.
Confidence comes from looks as well.
Uh,
When you're very good looking, you have the confidence,
confidence
to carry
comes from the
everything
knowledge of having those looks.
out. Pretty privilege is a real thing.
Sure,
Yeah.
I completely agree.
Then
I
why-
just
if
feel
you're
like
agreeing
it's
with
not,
me, then why are we having this
no,
conversation?
I'm saying that it's not sustainable. That's my argument. That's not going to get you anywhere eventually.
That's not true.
And we've
So
seen
many
that a lot.
women have gotten to places just by. I'm not saying that they're not smart. There is a certain amount of brain, but they have the look, and that gives them an added advantage. Look से बहुत चीजें आसान होती हैं यार. Can brains get you into a club, or will beauty get you into a club?
Brains can get you into a club. I'll tell you why.
She has never been to a club, clearly.
No, because I have done this.
Please tell
I
me.
have not had a pass, or I think I was not with somebody, and it was like a क्या बोलते हैं उसको couple entry, and I didn't have a male counterpart, so I just pretended to be friends with the DJ, and I
You're
was like,
good
"अरे
looking."
I was not even dressed. So ठीक है, मैं अपना example नहीं दे सकती
You were
ना.
naked.
हाँ?
Hence proof.
That's my dark past.
Imagine. But you think she'll be able to get into a club?
You're sick, man.
अपने गिरबान में जाके सच बोलो.
Why not?
You lie.
थोड़ा सा cleavage.
You
Maybe
liar.
the face won't work, but नीचे का part will work. It will work. For a woman, usually it works. Okay, let's think of a badsurat man. If he wants to, men to are very sadly disrespected in general. Would an ugly man get way into a club? Who the fuck wants to go to a club? Intelligent people
you don't
don't
wanna
want
go to a
to go to clubs. You don't see them going to clubs. They do house parties. They have conversations.
They do house parties because no one is giving them entry.
Nobody wants to go because
Yeah, they're going
you'd
for a-
rather stay at home and have
They're
more
going for a-
meaningful conversations with
They're
each
going for a vacation to Greece and doing house party in the Airbnb because no one in
They
Greece
don't
is
go
giving
to-
them entry.
They're going to museums. They're looking at the architecture.
Oh wow! I'm so jealous.
And they're
Oh my
coming
God,
back.
did you just go to the biggest museum of Greece?
Why are you so obsessed with Greece and Greek goddess? And
What a vacation! I love it. I would want to do that.
yeah, you are actually the person that does that. It's so
Actually, that's true.
it's so odd that you're saying this because you are the last person to go and party. But anyway, let's not get personal because clearly we actually believe otherwise.
Maybe we should have just picked that. Acha, let's
Yeah.
reverse. Let's change it up. Okay?
Okay.
Now I support brain and you support.
I was so loyal to my.
Now I support brain and you
I
support beauty.
completely agree. Yeah, looks really give you
What? Say?
everything.
Looks give you everything.
Yeah. Why are you shouting at me, man?
What have looks given you till now?
Everything. I have been a very lazy, inconsistent person in my life, and I think just the fact that I look a certain way has given me all my acting gigs.
All your acting gigs have come because you are good looking.
100%. I've got the same kind of roles though.
Yeah.
The kind of roles that like the girl next door
Yeah.
kind of characters, but I've mostly got them because of the way I look.
Awesome. So hence proved what I was saying.
Oh, bitch! Bitch!
Beauty wins.
Don't do that! Asshole! You can't do that to me!
Beauty has just won. You heard it from the both of us. That
Won?
Beauty.
Clearly, if she had read more, she would have said one and not one. Did you just say one?
But I have to agree, brain won me the debate because I used my brain to switch it around. And how I won.
So hence, bro. So actually, दिमाग या शक्ल दोनों ही मैटर नहीं करता. मेन मैटर करता है कि दिमाग हो ही ना. That is the end lesson of this conversation.
The
that
experts called two girls.
having absolutely no brain and being completely ignorant and not trying to read the room, fuck people, and just do your thing is the only way to
Be happy.
Yeah.
So guys, be delusional, be happy,
And,
and don't listen to
don't
anything we have to
intellectualize
say.
everything.
But don't listen to anything we have to say. Beauty is as important as brain, and brain is as important as beauty, whatever. Okay guys, ये था हमारा बहुत ही pointless episode. अगली बार हम लिख के लाएंगे. We promise we'll have more time. And like, share, subscribe.
Like, share, subscribe, guys.
Why are you acting upset? You're very beautiful. I didn't mean it. You're more beautiful than I am.
You're also very dumb.
Thank you. Comment beauty या brains and be honest and tell us your experience if you have any. बताना कि तुम्हारे साथ कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि तुम्हारी beauty ने तुम्हें आगे ले गया हो and brain तुम्हें आगे. Bye. Love you guys. Bye. तू सुंदर है यार, तू टेंशन मत ले. हाँ तू रो मत यार.
Two girls and two guys. Two girls and two cups.
Tune in Monday to Friday, sometimes Sunday, and sometimes never.
Keep listening.